There's two ways that I'm aware of to replace the audio source. One way is just replacing the audio source with a new audio source, and the other way is with a new video source. And I'll explain that now further. The problem with just trying to do it in the most logical way is if you go to the original source and replace footage, replacing footage with just audio is going to throw up a warning, because what will happen is it will remove the video because you're just trying to replace audio. And if you do that, anytime you use replace footage, you can't undo that, unfortunately, without having to replace it again with the actual original source. It doesn't stay in the history. It doesn't work like that. So it might be advantageous to save before you go experimenting like that, or know where your original source was so you can relink them or replace them. So now, in order to do either one of these two ways that I'm going to suggest or demonstrate, you have to have a new source that's the same length as the original source. So essentially, you go to the original source and create a sequence with it, which I've already done here. Okay, and then I'm clearing the in and out so I can show you. Here's the original source, here's the new audio source, and both of these are all three of these are different lengths. So to get them to be the same length, I'm just going to select the original and click Mark Selection there. And now when I go to render this, I can render the entire video, or I can go in here and render just the waveform. So if I just want to do the audio, that's how you would do that, or you can do the whole video. Now, somebody might not want to do the whole video because it takes longer to render the whole video, and they might be afraid to reduce the quality by rendering it, and every time you render it, maybe you lose a little quality. So maybe they just want to do the audio. Problem with doing that is you would have to go to each one of these. So let me show you how. So if you just want to do the audio, replace the audio source with just new audio source, then open the new audio source in the source panel here, hold Shift and Alt on the keyboard, and click and drag the audio to your clip there, your audio clip. And you'll just have to do that everywhere, one at a time. There's no way to do that to all of these at once. Now, if you have a lot of edits, the only way to do all of them at once would then be, instead of replacing with the new audio source, you would have to replace with the new video source. And you could just click any of these, go to project, there's the original source, and like I showed you earlier, replace footage. When you click replace footage, you can then click the new footage that has the new audio source that you just rendered, that's the same length and everything, and then you select it and it will replace all of these at once. Now, the reason why this happened for me is I'm using these Rode mics, and I noticed that my camera audio that I received from the Rode transmitter, so the receiving end sounded like this.
Restoration.
So there was quite a few instances later on as well, and I'm like, okay, I need to go to the transmitter audio and see if it sounds better, and it did.
Restoration.
It sounded so much better that I ended up wanting to use the transmitter local recording on the transmitter that's 32-bit for all of it. First I was like, well, I'll just manually go through here and cut all this up, resync it and all that. And then I'm like, oh, it sounds so much better here than it does over here, that it seemed like it was a problem now. So that's when I decided I probably should figure out how to just replace all of this, because audio is more important than video. I don't mind if the video quality is a little worse. I'm not going to go through here and manually drag it to each one of these, even though it's probably not that big of a deal. It's not a lot here. There's a lot of little ones. I would have to do it for each one of these little ones. So I'm just gonna replace footage with the new one, and bam, it's all done. And that's how you do it.